Hello students, we are going to start chapter 4. The chapter is square and square root. Okay, this is your fourth chapter. So first of all, we want to know what is square. Okay, if you want to talk about square, then a point which came in our mind is square or geometrical shape. If we take the side as A, if we take the sides of square as A, then we will write area of square is equal to side into side, that is A square. Okay, means to find the square of a number, we raise the number as एक्सपोनेंट as 2. मीन्स अगर किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर हमको लिखना हो तो हम क्या करेंगे, उस नंबर के एक्सपोनेंट को 2 रेज कर देंगे. मीन्स इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड स्क्वायर ऑफ 2, इट मीन्स दैट वी वांट टू फाइंड द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 as 2, मीन्स 2 to power 2, that gives 2 into 2 multiplied gives 4. If we want to find out square of 3, means 3 is to 3 gives 9. Okay, so basic concept of the square of a number, that we raise the exponent of the number by 2. Okay, similarly we can find the square of 6, that is 6 square, means 6 into 6 gives 36. Okay, so square of 6 is 36. Okay, now we will go to discuss about prime factorization of a number. Okay, now we will go to discuss about prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime factorization in the sense, break the number into prime factors. To break the number into prime factors, known as prime factorization of a number. So how can we find the factors of a number? We will know very well. If you want to find out the prime factors of 36, first of all we divide 36 by 2, we will get 18. Now 18 divided 2 gives 9, 9 divided with 3 gives 3, and 3 divided with 3 gives 1. So in this way we can find out the factors of 36, that is 2 is to 2 is to 3 is to 3. So we split up 36 as prime factors of 2 and 3. So in this way we can find the factors of 36, and this method of splitting a number into prime factors known as prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization. So how can we use prime factorization method to find out a given number is perfect square or not? How can we find out with the help of prime factorization that a given number is perfect square or not? So our next topic is by prime factorization. By prime factorization, find out the given number. Find out the given number is perfect square or perfect number. Perfect square or not. ठीक है, We take an example as 36. We want to find out 36 is a perfect square number or not. ओके, हम ये फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि 36 का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा या नहीं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करेंगे, वी विल फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 36। So how can we find out prime factors? By prime factorization method. We divide 36 by 2 gives 18. 2 divided 18 9. 3 divided 9 up to 3 and 3 divided 3 gives 1. Means 36 can be written as 2:2 to 3:3. That is 2 square and 3 square. We can write it 2 into 3 power 2. We can write 6 to the power 2 means 6 square. So in this way we can find that 36 can be written as 6 square. So with the help of definition of perfect square, if a number raised its exponent by 2 known as perfect square. ठीक है, मीन्स कोई ऐसा नंबर जिसके एक्सपोनेंट को 2 रेज करके लिखा जा सके, दैट नंबर इज नोन एज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो 36 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके, इन द सेम वे we can find out 49 is perfect square or not. Now we will find out 49 is perfect square or not. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will find out prime factors of 49. So if we divide 49 with 7 gives 7 and 7 divided 7 gives 1, means 49 can be written as 7 into 7 means 7 to the power 2. So a number which exponent raised up to 2 known as perfect square. So in the given number 49, the exponent of 49 is 2. It means 49 is a perfect square. Okay, so by prime factorization method we can find out a given number is perfect square or not. We take another example, and the example is 81. Okay, now we want to find out 81 is perfect square or not. 81 is perfect square or not. Okay, so first of all we will find out prime factors of 49. 81 divided by 3 gives 27. 3 divided 27 up to 9. 9 divided 3 up to 3 and 3 divided 3 up to 1. Means 81 can be written as 3:3:3:3. Means the pair of 3. There are two pairs of 3, that is 3 power 2, 3 to the power 2. Means we can write 9:9 means 9 square. So in this way we will find out 81 can be written as 9 square, means 81 can be written as 9 as raise its exponent by 2. So according to the definition of perfect square, 81 is a perfect square. Okay. Now we will find out prime factors of given numbers. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, and the first question is, which of the following numbers are not perfect square? Give reason. Okay. So in question number 1, there are 7 part of the given question, and in this question we will find out which number is perfect square and which number is not perfect square. Okay. So how can we find? First of all, we will find out the prime factors of given number. If this number can be written as square of any number, then we can say the given number is perfect square, otherwise not. Okay. So first question, part A. Check 841 is perfect square or not. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करेंगे? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे इसका. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 481. ठीक है. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के बाद फर्स्ट स्टेप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, एंड द सेकेंड स्टेप इज फाइंड आउट the pairs of given factors. Find out pairs of given factors. The third step is try to write the given number to raise exponents as 2. To raise exponents as 2. If the given number is written in the form of any number with exponent as 2, then we can say the given number is perfect square or otherwise not. Okay. So अभी जो हमने डिस्कस किया है इससे पहले, उसके बेसिस पे हम ये फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि गिवन नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. प्राइम फैक्टर्स का पेयर बनाना है. अगर सारे नंबर्स का पेयर बन जाता है, इट मींस दैट कि उस नंबर को 2 के एक्सपोनेंट के फॉर्म में लिखा जा सकता है. ठीक है. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट given number is perfect square or not. Okay. Now move on. Second question. And the question is, which are the following number are perfect square? Give reason. तो ये भी क्या है? Same. Question number 2. Which are the following number? Which of the following numbers are perfect square? Give reason. So I will solve part B, that is 625. ठीक है. बाकी पार्ट आप खुद करेंगे. कुछ नंबर छोटा हो या नंबर बड़ा हो. ठीक है. सबका करने का तरीका एक ही है. आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इसका करना है. ओके. तो 625 को फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं. 625 किसे डिवाइड करेंगे 5 से 125 5 25 5 5 5 means 625 can be written as 5 is to 5 is to 5 is to 5 means 5 2 5 2. This can be written as 5 into 5 power 2 means 25 power 2. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने ये फाइंड आउट कर लिया कि 625 को 25 के पावर में हम लिख सकते हैं. इट मींस दैट 625 इज a perfect square. ओके, तो रीजन करेंगे. रीजन हाउ कैन वी से 625 is a perfect square. The reason is लिखेंगे 625 can be written as 625 can be written as the number raised as exponent as 2 so 625 is perfect square. 625 is perfect square. Okay, so इस तरह से आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के सारे पार्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ मूव ऑन थर्ड क्वेश्चन. And the question is find the smallest number by which the given number must be multiplied to make it perfect square. Means given number में किस smallest number से multiply करने पर वो perfect square बनेगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. And the question is find the smallest number by which the given number must be multiplied to make it perfect square. Okay, so the first part is 882. So first of all we will find out prime factors of 882. 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 1 is 2. First of all we will find out prime factors of 882. सबसे पहले हम इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 882. ओके, देन वी विल मेक पेयर्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स. We will make pairs of factors. If pairs of factors done, then the given number is perfect square. Otherwise, जिस नंबर का पेयर नहीं बनता है उस नंबर से उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो गिवन नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके,